but it's being called ahead of Walter Mzona. Walter Mzona was performing day in, day out. And kulama players amaningi efuze ibizwe, but because who is your agent? Most people abalama agents abangana blind angana phezulu ngale ababizwa, but it's not like that. These people are going to represent the nation. Let's choose on merit. Let's choose ukuthi ngubani okwanisa ukudlala ibhola. Akuna problem.
I think you right to coach him.
So I think system
is
ayikho low ayikho.
Because umuntu odlala kuhle give him a chance.
Give him a chance.
Akuningi okumele ulungiswe. Moving along. AFCON 2025-26 iqalisile last 16. We've seen omakhelwane baphumile
abaskipper
Ute celebrate. We've seen Tanzania ephumile so far Jet. How is ila 16 ama game asedlaliwe ila 16 libona njani?
Yeah, like I
just
said, like I said in our previous episode, ukuthi kona ibhola Africa has changed. It has changed. There's no longer an underdog. Lokho nje ukukhulunywa kwawo lokho yana kwama bookmakers. Ibhola selitshintshile bembukele iTanzania ibihamba pound to pound le Morocco. The only challenge with Tanzania kuphela is quality and experience. Because ngaba bele experience, those two chances they could have buried them. Babeza wina maybe 2-1. But because of that, anje umuntu Diaz usebenzisa experience, wahlohla part kwesiphuphu sinjani wa reach wahlohlela. It shows experience. And igame enye futhi engunanzelele kuJoza le Cameroon is that iJoza it lacks experience yabantu aba abroad. Ilama local based kakhulu. Lena is not Chan. Even though bekwanisa ukudlala, they cannot match up the standard because experience iyafunakala lokho ngokuze ngamachisa ukuthi khona kanti babedlala Al London, but kuyasofuna labantu abayaziyo tempo yangale esikhiweni ukuthi injani so that they can match up, because izolo they were supposed to win in South Africa even though bengafuni win. That game it was winnable for South Africa. It was winnable, but nonetheless nguyalile, so I will leave the other two games ukuthi abanye be deliberate about.
But
I mean like give me Morocco le Tanzania. You could see ukuthi they are going pound for pound in Tanzania la ibifuna. And there was that last moment of the game atomele kube like it looked like a penalty yana because I think umuntu lwana umpushile. I think urefla banu mpongube atwende ukuthi lapha ngama host party kumele hambe kuvaya
on that point in Zambia kuphela ayisikhulunywa kakhulu.
I think abantu kumele kuvaya
isikhulunywa kakhulu nale.
But in terms of isoccer, we could see ukuthi sometimes it's an added advantage ukuba labantu abadlala kwa highest level. Because especially Morocco, you could see ukuthi first 10 minutes Tanzania bebebuya mdala. But Morocco they managed to calm them down. But kalisa bona ukudominate manje game. We could see they dominate and they are nearly vale 90 minutes. Udlala manje Tanzania because that sebefuna uvala 90 minutes. Of which labana manje obvious kuyakula we Diaz mdala moment of brilliance ndoda uyazenzela. Uyabona? Then bese we game South Africa. I mean I think in South Africa they were unlucky because in terms of play you could see abana bakulenye level of upasana and everything, they were bossing them around. Sometimes ama chances eporeni they kwanisa ukukhutha. Then they would be lucky bethula because South Africa athi ngaba bahlohle yona lana first chance yabo eka Mofokeng. I think athi be repa up game yabo ya. But sometimes eporeni like when it's not on your side. Because ama gobora abo Cameroon abasebenzelanga kakhulu. Uyabona? Yinto enza but overall it was a good game.
Wonke nje general
wonke
mina Tanzania esisho ngalo ukuthi yabona ibhola leAfrica selitshintshile. iTanzania remember ibidlala lama host 1 2 idlala labantu aba experience look at abantu Diaz, but they managed to hold them. Kwaleka ina lento ishoyo uyaleka uphela experience ukuthi labo kubantu bele two guys aba experienced players labo kube bayikhiphile iMorocco even though they were wasting that cup. And then look at South Africa. South Africa ngiyavumelana noTopi. South Africa idlale kahle. Of course they wasted my chances, but bottom line kuleke experience. Uyabona mdala kube kuthiwa kade kulabo Diaz, asithi uDiaz kube ngathi ngowe South Africa ngoba okunye ama chance kokana kade kuzaba baza ku-utilize. So laphana kuyabe kuleka i-experience. South Africa yadlala but kuleka someone equality. Someone, South Africa idliswe equality kuphela. But kuba kulabantu abayi2 abanjengabo Sala, abanjengabo Diaz, mboyedwa nje bebeyawina that game. But kade kuyilabo nje ukuthi ayimdlwane nje but iyazamazama.
Kule game yeMali le Tunisia. Mfuna ubuya ku point oyikhulumile yokucineni penalty. Abantu bakhale kakhulu. Even Bruce spoke about it. Coach we South Africa. Uthi iCAF livumela njani ukuthi thina le Cameroon liyakwazi next round siyadlala le Morocco. But lifaka i-training base yethu an hour away from lapha esitrainela khona. It seems as if we are favoring ama host or ama Arab countries. And abantu bakhulume ngakho ungacheck abantu ababukeli afcon bakhale ngakho bathi ama Arab countries because maybe nce yiba babegcwalise ama fans stadium. Or if they tend ungani ba favor because ungacheck igame yeMali le Tunisia. It's very fortunate to the Mali they had to hold on, but ama decisions amaningi they were going against the Mali. Oh, into lokugcina ngene ngqondo no, but there's something engani iyenzakala lapha, especially leading towards ama Arab nations. Not ukuthi ngikhulumela ngoba no, but mfuna sibe factual. Like what you saying, putting a clear example. Into la familia mbekuva. But because ngama host
ngama Arabs
Tunisia same thing.
But manje I think I game lani Tunisia andi yathi chaba ngabhethom.
But
urefu I think uchayile impembe. I think uchayile impembe igame lana because ama decisions akhe wonke bengawaniti vow besenza ku-spotoni. Uyabona even i-penalty bengasaba ukuthi
but umphakathi stadium ike ngibona.
Uyabo ukuthi ama Arabs obvious antu yakwazi ama Arabs bona abefuna yonke into ibe ngiyabo. Bona bengakantshwa bona vele ku right bona bengakantshwa so kumele kucharge. So but I think orefu njengayizulu lwana I think usabile like ukwenza i-decision because bezokuyi last minute.
Last minute.
I think usabile uhamba over but lana kusila ukuthi hala it needed VAR to clarify ukuthi it's not a penalty sibili ngoba yena umuntu lwana ubele bhora lwana umpush.
So alikho fair phela ibhora why ngahambanga ukuva
yena uyabizwa
football is fair why ngahambanga ukuva because athi i decision ka ref kasi athi ayuhambile kuva ba confirma advice for confirming.
Alright,
but yabona iva ihlupha ngani as long as kwesinsikhathi uref engachayanga impembe ba mali on field decision iva
ngiyukonfirm phela ungambona ngazahambanga vinga la kuva ngoba
bethena so phi
uref
most of the times ukwenza iva ingabiza and uref bengachacha uref then ibona they've got some seconds to review bengayibona ukuthi khona iyavuma ukuthi khona ibe i-penalty iyavuma ngabe i-penalty sebeyichinja but ngabona ilani engavumi ukuthi khona lezi ngayichiya le injalo le iyasifakisela iyasingenisa amanzi ikwamisa khona iplay bembizi bethi akucheck but ngabalena ukuthi khona ungazisimbize you can stand with the decision ka ref yokuthi I choose ukuthi ifake i-penalty I choose ungayifaki i-penalty ngoba kuyafana nokuthi kwesikhathi uyakwanisa utholakala le-police emepresence publicly drinking ipolice lemvume ukuthi lokubophe lemvume ukuthi lokukhuze so uyakwanisa ukuthi ekukhuze kwekele ngakubophe but into yenzile ibophisa so kulama offenses eground which can be charged I-50-50 so lana uref yabeyekele ukuthi engadecide ingabi
so yazolo la 50-50
ibe inconclusive ukuthi
khona ungathi bathi wena ukuyibona kwakho bayibona njani athi nida uref asikume iqiniso la
amnalani bemile kuvuka
wena butho okay asifa ngokubona ukuthi uyibone njani
mina ngiyibona ithi i-penalty but bona bayisabe ukuthi
esingasibona mina mbuza personal kuwe ukuthi wena uyibone njani
ngikhulume ngayo before mina ngathi kona ibifuze at least iva ihla ibiza
wathi mina urefa uva asho noyibona njani
hayi asemnobutho living
lapha I'm just saying the rules of the game
ukuthi phela lapha nizama ukuclash ipoint yakho e50-50 lana athi ngaso 50
that's the rules of the game
70% athi mele iyekuva
exactly but ayisakambanga
so isikhathi sishabo wasto silengayo because we've got about think 3 topics that you need to go through siwathi kamvu namuhla kulama fixtures Egypt ile Benin Nigeria ile Mozambique quick ngikaze kwethu obona njani namuhla then kusase Algeria ile DRC Ivory Coast ile Burkina Faso
yes
Tunis Egypt Nigeria DRC laninye futhi
DRC ile Algeria
they are going through for me
Ivory Coast Burkina Faso
Ivory Coast is going through
Egypt Nigeria
Algeria ile DRC
Algeria
Ivory Coast ile Burkina Faso
Ivory Coast
abantu bazadliwa 25% lizayibanjelwa kudala li
Ivory Coast
game ayizima but Egypt
you are remaining games for the last 16
Egypt I think haya qualify lapha then ku DRC Algeria lapha yapiwa lapha yahanja lapha yawina lapha ama penalty
mina yena lana yethe mfuna ukwini DRC uyikhuluma
yena DRC
angoba DRC yasheshwa hayi vuma ngamanga
Algeria ngama Arab
marisi nje bathekile
wanda ukuthi la usubuye ku mentality la le
yabona siphenduke mbisha nokulozeni the good thing enzwe lokuzeni iCAF ukuthi kuna prior to the competition all the officials were called together baba le training before the match. That's why sibona ilokuzeni officiating ngani ingcono ngani up to standard. So bakwenza kwangani kuyabalance. So lokana refa excuse me awufuzanga be intimidate we crowd ukuthi benze ama biased decisions.
No.
So I think whether Arab kumbe kuyini the refs are going to be spot on.
Ubungaqedi bese wasukusele
Cote d'Ivoire yangena. Then history uthi
yonto Egypt kule Nigeria
Nigeria
Algeria Nigeria le Mozambique mina Mozambique mbonani iza shock they've got 2 games angamashock mina ati Morocco yezakhela but from lawa ama game aselian Egypt I think yawina Nigeria is tough ku Mozambique. Mozambique is then Algeria is tough with DRC. I won't be surprised ngoba I'm surprised ngapha. Then Ivory Coast even though good tough but ngibona isidla ilokhuzeni. Gents that's it about there's a lot that's happening ku local scene. Bengafuni si cheer local scene hanging. Kulento eziningi ezenza ma rumors. Bemfuna sihle sivule nje okuyi rumors khona ukuthi gaga although thina sase Afcon special ile ndaba lokho bekhala iqini announce ilizulu
concrete
Thabo Senong mkhokheli Dube in charge of the team but we see ama players there and kulama rumors amaningi ama players acha phansi Island is celebrating 100 years and izolo etown kungena ama zebra black and white baqhatsha umkhokheli baqhatsha umkhokheli wabodube anibona ama zebra kuningi okwenzakalayo ucoach weHunters umfana lo uchile iHunters ikhatsha umunye coach there is a lot ama rumors maningi libona njani local scene so far to me I think there's something that's happening is ngani 2020 this season 2026 is going to be entertaining. We saw what's happening with Platinum Stars and they befuna ukukhuluma into le Platinum Stars immediate team whoever is handling immediate Platinum Stars deserves the raise guys. Libonile nje laba announce abaka announce but abasithiza ngayo ngoku announce kwama player abamatsha Platinum Stars ayenza manga angutshela manga big up to Platinum Stars immediate team I so wish yazi ngani yi Platinum Stars ngani yiyo I team eli 100 years but i-Islander donsa ama-socks especially ku-media team. I-Islanders nje even indlela aba-announce ngawo coach kumele ku-entice man. Sure beze beswela even i-picture kaThabo Seno. Phela uThabo Seno nganto yo-analyze ama-game e-SABC. Basenza ipicture kudala setshintshile seyisidudla endevu sembona nayisuki understand engikhuluma ngazo Dobu ukuthi ezinye izinto man kumele
awuza chef
so but gents sase kukhona yena le local sinifuna sithi gaga ama gents engathwala inzima.
Okay, I think for Islanders we say congratulations for 100 years. Congratulations to Coach Thabo and Coach Kokeli. But we share the same name, by the way, Kokeli. That's my second name. But no, that's not my second. But nonetheless, and I feel those two guys are carrying a very heavy burden. Because considering the Islanders is celebrating 126, so 100 days from 1926 to 2026, it's a heavy load on their shoulders because they have to perform better, they have to show something that it resembles 100 years.
So
my expectations are too high from the fans, from the social media, from everyone to Islanders ukuthi khona at least 800 years Islanders ayenzani if uzichiya inxeba inkunzi if uzichiya inxeba so sibafisela okuhle sithi okuhle kodwa kini then amahimi mahamba iBlair Chiefs
is busy
yasayina now wakhatha ama teams amaningi seqala sithi ukutrainer preparing for the next season so the problem ukuthi khona ama teams amaningi bayekela ukuthi besayina ama players kulesikhathi sebezafunda inqa ama last minute sebesayina ama players sebebangisana lama players umbe bencindezela ama players so ngaba yasayina ama players so that they can train together in time and prepare in time ukuthi nxa uthi match efika everyone is match fit so
and match is not far
it's not far because ungaphuza ukusayina somebody right now umuntu akwazi contract yakhe iminjani and ekugcineni nxa usiyamsayina sokungumatch selisiyamdlalisa ngomatch lapha akasaperform kuhle sokuthi akalazi ibhola but that person is not match fit
kayenzanga
pre-season training so let's say may the best team win in 2026.
Uyibona njani Masuthu amahemhem manengi ngeke siwaqede but sizathola isikhathi njengoba engikuchila ukuthi saqedisa iAfcon special but ngeke sikuche kunjalo
amahemhem sibili manengi but mana sidlule kule island like i-Islanders sikhuluma ngento ze-media sithona sitshela abantu don't expect something good from amaxhegu Islanders from media 100 years akula into abanga-expect nanku uThabo bahlule ukuthi i-picture into okhuluma i-picture abantu uyazi kuyadanisa ukuthi ubukele uThabo emini uthi wena be-announcer ntambama ubona ukuthi nguye umuntu lo kumbe uqiniqaniso ngabantu abayi2 yabona but hayi nonetheless i-Islanders this year mana ngikhuluma kuma fans this year yakhahlela le Dube baba lingenile town yarathabula baba
into ziligeza ku depression
no kungena uDube town yarathabula this year 100 years you mark my words expect something even i-league singayithatha
umtholo abocoach abasobudinga umtholo abocoach
hayi even i-league singayithatha
top uyavuma
ahora itata ukadlala
ngiqalisa labo But I think there's something good that's happening. Go local scene. Mention iBlair Chiefs, Chicken in, Undira, Lorries, Hard Rock, Bonile, Uneweza, Scotland, Umapeza is busy, Akama, Une Capes.
I wanna Ibulawa Chiefs. This time I pull.
It's not profit.
Yes, iyakanya iyasayina antukuthoza uthile iyasayina
ngiyamtshela futhi ngathi iBlair Chiefs ingakele uthatha lo nyaka futhi
iyasayina ngiyakuzwana iBulawayo Chiefs besilandela even ukuthi wana nje iwubona ibhora la nje phathi kwebhora layo leyana iphinde isayine futhi
bafundile futhi mistake
uphinde ukhangela ibhora lePremier League lidlala njani iBulawayo Chiefs this time
manje I really ngithwa ukuthi ibhora ibingadlali last time man yarelegate konkanti ayingakholisa ama-players
administrative
administrative so they have to rectify that mistake i-mistake ayikho kuma-players ukubulawa Chiefs ibi-ku-admin
lathi siyinikile futhi ibulawa Chiefs ayinika futhi lamanye ama-players hayi senzela ukhathi ibe khona senze ukuthi ibe khona
bengasolani
support each other
usuyile
umuza kanjani libaphile yazi abanika umelika support o-brother wethu mayekhulu
umfowethu
samsupport ubrother
Zara chola para mina I'm just excited ngeleague angazi wena oya kuse ground esabe sikuchayela ukhwela umjita phela simchayela ukhwela first game
simthethisa njalo lokuzini njengoba gayifu
first game esaZilanders eBeef to bangazi wena from a player's point of view ubona njani lokuzwayo nje around all the teams nje ku PSN
hayi pre-season vele njalo always rumazi ovia zonke umuntu phela pre-season wonke umuntu league ngiyakhe
yes
okuqakathekile is how you prepare and how you will play ama first games lana because the excitement vele yabi khona especially nale wethu social media yokusayina ama players excitement lana but into yabi qakathekile how will you perform how will you do your pre-season well if you do it well that's when you're going to win it but if you don't do it well ama problems are many
yeah that's true
mina there's something that I want to say gents sesivala iHighlanders ya this season alilana le season abantu bebekhala ibibhowa but ngoku announce uThabo Senong ndomkhokheli Dube from what I've seen ku Thabo Senong what I've seen ku Mkhokheli Dube not ukuthi izawina but exciting football in terms of football
yabirathabo
Islanders this and I will say it even going forward Islanders I think will be playing one of the most exciting football brands
into echazayo ukuthi Islanders ayidli chicken ni Chiefs ayidli chicken but nonetheless mina you know from last time even in my interviews as well I'm a chicken fan then ngisen support ama team akobulawayo
true
I only support I'm only against Islanders when they're playing chicken in I'm against Chiefs when it's playing chicken in or any other team yakobulawayo when it's playing chicken in those are the teams ukubona hlezi sihlangane ebholeni ngiyahleza sowethu nxa ibhosi dlala chicken in ngadlala because kuyamzwisa ubuhlungu ukuthi eHarare kulama teams angu 5 or 7 every week in week out they've got games kobulawayo ngapha sebesile 2-1 but now I'm happy sesingo 3 sesitandaza next season ezinye futhi zinjani zibuye thina singaphumi sigcine sibe lama games amaningi khona khana kuyakhipha abafana bethu ezitaradini into bengayenza ama drugs and so forth kuyabe kubancedisa besiba ngo ball boy abanye besenzana kuyasincedisa but inkinga ukuthi bese sisuka nxa sokuthiwa khona ngazothiwa kulomsindo yalinda zile chicken idlalile kumbe i-chicken le Chiefs idlalile kulo msindo kuyabe kuyinto eyangisayo kuma fans ethu lana but we now want
bona bakhuzekile asikhuzile and asingami ukukhuza
akazube khona but njengokukhuluma okwenziwa ngumachisi ukuthi khona we have got so many expectations before the season begins nxa siqalisile i-season leyana masingabi disappointed ama expectations if are not met because team A is going to prepare team B is going to prepare and all with the objective to win nxa singasawinanga masingavusa umsindo masingasawinanga asambeni ku drawing board selungisisa siqalisa kahle but ngifisela nje ama team wonke okuhle kakhulu yaLenders sihawule kakhulu i-team yami indala
ile wachama last words Toby last words
mina ma last words ukuthi iMorocco yakhiri AFCON
sisoke khona asuthu last words
mina ngithi Egypt is my team
la ku AFCON
Sala is my team
Egypt and
Highlanders Rathabula iduel ingenile town
sesivara gents ezenza abantu beSport Zone yazi amba mentionanga please guys konke ukubona lokhu amabhora la and kumele sethatha image eSport Zone it's just that ukuthi iNew Year lama rice ka December asengenza ngikhohle ezinye but if you want to partner with us please don't forget to come through partner with umenze uzafaka the numbers on the screen uyasithinta we advertise whether it's a shop or yasihawukela ukuthi ayi otsho umuntu ngana bagqoka ngashapha mfuba agqokisa or whatever please siyakwamukela come through and partner with us, advertise, whether it's a business or whatever, good channel like Sports Zone, a trophy, a trophy, Sports Zone, you get anything and everything or related to sports. Anything and everything to be. Normally, pora the cricket, where they told them,
soft ball,
soft ball. I don't want to letting rain ball, letting basketball, letting disc. So, Sports Zone, you get everything. And the Sports Zone is located in Meshi House, ground floor, shop number 2A. And the Meshi House is corner 9 Avenue, so main, so Mkabu, Joshua Mkabu, means Baducha, Rufa, ama details, abantu bebone, uzafaka futhi ama details, but Sports Zone is located between corner 9 Avenue, JMN Street. That's where you get Sports Zone. Shop number 2A, Meshi House. Then, to our lovely viewers, we say Happy New Year, Asambeni Sonke, schooling, let's grow the family. So far, see 3,932. Good channel, 3,930. Sifuna ukuthi sibe 39,000. Sisiya next year sibe lokhu esikhwela, but let's grow the share, like, share, subscribe. Utshela omunye. Lingatshela abayi-10, abayi-10 bazatshela abanye bazatshela amanye. Isikhuleni i-channel guys lokhu but please on a serious note, please subscribe, like, share, and we grow the family. Ukhuzana lokho yanisukwenza liyasoze sime, even uzazonda, but asozekile ukhuzana wa one ibhora vele liyas-unite at the end of the day. So until next time guys, from me, the guys and the crew behind the scenes, see you next time.